How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have another product review from Chemical Guys. Silk Shine Dressing. This one I'm gonna use it in the interior of the Honda Accord, and you can use it in the interior, outside, in the tires, trim, vinyl. You can use it everywhere, and it's gonna give it a really good shine, and it's not gonna have any oily residues. So Silk Shine sprayable dressing is 100% dry to the touch dressing. The Silk Shine sprayable dressing is formulated with Chemical Guys technology and WaterTech protectant, which lasts long and continues to protect even after multiple washes and through weather. Silk Shine penetrates deep into the vinyl, rubber, tires, black plastic, bumpers, mirrors, trim, and bumper guards. Applicator pad on and off. Make sure that you shake it really well. Apply some into your pad, and let's see how the Accord interior looks. If you can see right there, I apply on this area, and you see that area right there. And this product is gonna give it a good protection against UVA rays and UVB. It's pH balanced formula, no oily, greasy, or sticky residues. So now let me apply it throughout the whole interior, the dash, the doors, and I'm going to show you the end results. All these dry surfaces, they're gonna be protected and looking really good. That shine. Really good. You can see all these parts of the door panel, they used to be dry, not looking good. Now it's really shiny and protected. It's amazing. Okay guys, so we finished, and if you can see how shiny and beautiful it looks, but the main thing is that now it's protected. You can see here on the door all the dash, all the interior. Also, I removed the third brake light. You can see the difference. Everything now is shiny and protect. You can see the difference from here to here, because this is one of the parts that the sun really make an impact in it, and it dries the plastic. So now with this coat, it's gonna be protected. So guys, tell me what you think about Cubicle Guys Silk Shine dressing. We just finished the whole car, and this one, I like this one because the same thing, it has protection against the UV, and it's gonna protect and it's gonna clean. But if you want something shiny that is not gonna leave any oil residues, that is gonna protect and it's gonna make your car look amazing on the interior, exterior, tires, everything, you can use this one too. So guys, I hope you like this episode. If you have any questions guys, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.